it's Geeky here, and today I'm taking a look at the Dark of the Moon Air Raid figure. Here you can see it is a Boeing E767 AWACS plane. Rather nice as well. Nice green and two-tone green with a nice big silver, if you can see, silver stripe running across the figure. Rather nice, and around the engines here as well. Comes with a radar dish on top as well, which is his main weapon. You just push on the button here, and if you can get it right, turns into an ion pulse blaster. It's rather nice. Detail wise, he's rather nice. He's got nice clear cockpit windows. Trying to sound without sounding rude. Landing gear as well, all fully deployable and retractable. One good thing about this is he's got very little in the way of the traditional plane transformer robot kibble. Usually it's arms and legs exposed. This time it's chest and a hand, so you can wave at people on the ground. So he's rather nice in general. He looks really good. Looks like a proper aircraft. You can detach the radar dish and plug it in on the top here. For some reason, it would have been nice if this weapon could lock, so you could have like a giant gun attached to the vehicle mode that could fire it instead. Just as that. Taking the dish off will come to transformation. Just tilt the camera back up a bit for a bit more room. First thing you want to do is come to the back here and open these little panels, swing them out and fold them up to the sides. Same thing on down here, just fold these panels up and pop it out. It will do it like so, and just fold it down like that, so it's out of the way. That means you can separate the legs and the arms, like so. You can split the legs, fold them all the way out, including on the white tabs down here where the hips are. Then fold in the wings, and you can fold the arms out. Just fold them all the way out, so the grey parts are on the outside of the, I'll say, where the wing used to be. Next, grab the head, pull it up. You can also pull on the cockpit as well, or the cockpit section as well, and put it all the way up until it clicks. Then you can close that up, push that up to form the back, and it does stay there quite well, especially the wings up as well. Next, come to the front, fold his legs down and fold these parts here, form the heels. Same on this side, fold that in, put these parts in as well. And the arms, just for some reason, this side, the official transformation for the arm is to have it like that. But for some reason, this side, you get more range on it. So you just turn the fist round to match it. It's better that side. And on this side, same thing. Just fold the rear fins into that, and that's how he is. Oh yeah, and these parts as well. That's how he is with his base transformation. He is a rather skinny fellow. Just do a little pan up and down. He's rather skinny with a huge torso. I like the gold detailing on the torso. It is really nice. Also follows up on the head as well. Just bring it a little bit closer. Nice big crest. Plus light piping, if I can get it to work. Like that. The head sculpt is rather nice. It does remind you of the entire mould reminds you of a gladiator. A Roman gladiator. The way he's standing, especially when you bring the weapon in. This part of the weapon here, the tab that you can use to hold it, folds out. So you can plug it into his hand, and you can hold it like a shield, Unfortunately mine, the wrist connection on mine is terrible. It pops off like really easily. This arm can fold out and you can open it up to form like a flail mace to further do the Roman gladiator as well. Articulation for this guy, he's got a rotating head joint, he's got a ball socket shoulder, bicep swivel, elbow joint, just a simple hinge joint, no waist articulation, hips are on a ball joint as well, they've got tons of movement, knees, nice big range of movement. There's no toe articulation, but he's got heel. I don't know how that helps him, but he's got heel articulation. And yeah, that's pretty much it for him. Oh, this arm, as you saw, holds up in there. Does all that. Yeah, he's a rather nice little figure. It would have been nice if he had at least one or two other colours other than green. He is just green, gold, and like the grey plastic they used on him. It would have been nice if he had some silver highlights other than just on his face. Maybe picking out some of the chest details here, or parts of the fuselage here. Maybe some logos or stuff like that, just to bring it out a little bit more. He's also got extra ports on him, so you can store extra weapons on. He's got ports up here to plug in the 5mm weapons. He's also got C-clip points on the top here, and when you fold the wing back, he's got them on here as well. At the moment, he's still on sale at retail places like Toys R Us, and he's usually extremely cheap now. I think I paid about £7 for him, so he's an extremely good figure if you can get hold of him. Okay, I've been Geeky-licious, and if you liked what you said, don't forget to like, comment or subscribe. Don't forget to check out some of my other videos, and I will see you next time.